Project Avani was established in February 2024 with the purpose of converting the term man-animal conflict to man-animal interactions, thereby making this whole process safer for both parties involved. We started the process by collecting primary information from those directly impacted by man-animal interactions. We soon found ourselves interviewing the people of Mangar, a village in Faridabad, which often encounters leopards, snakes, and monkeys in its premises. After collecting enough information, we were ready to start our impact.
To get a professional's opinion and an in-depth knowledge on the topic, we contacted a prestigious WWF expert and conducted a collaborative interview. This exposed us to numerous solutions and gave us a whole different viewpoint of the topic.
We decided that to target a young audience, we should use new and innovative methods to be able to raise awareness. And so we decided to write a storybook featuring characters, colors, and tales embedded inside the book. So we decided to conduct research on relevant topics like leopard interactions in nearby villages and drafted our book with stories and conversational dialogues. After this, we were ready to get our book designed.
We worked with an illustrator to design our very own book called Avani, which focuses on children of ages 5+ and aims to tell them about man-animal interaction. It depicts the issue in a fun and meaningful manner with interactive illustrations like dialogue boxes and features the members of Team Avani as the characters. Moreover, with the use of simplistic language and comical illustrations, it conveys morals by stories and real-life situations.
We collaborated with an NGO called the Habitat Trust to conduct workshops, interact with experts, and gain further knowledge on our topic. Additionally, we talked with the experts in the field to understand their viewpoint and took their thoughts on how we could further refine our final impact.
Furthermore, we collaborated with experts to host workshops with over 300 high school students to firstly introduce them to the concept of man-animal interactions and then tell them how online platforms such as iNaturalist and eBird can help them explore the flora and fauna in their surroundings from the comfort of their homes. Our workshops also included interactive games like Jeopardy to test their knowledge from our sessions and thereby target different stakeholders who contribute towards reducing the severity of man-animal interaction.
We conducted a nature trail with Mr. Samad Khanna, an expert from the NGO. In this trail, we took over 150 middle school students from our school and community to explore the flora and fauna around us. This gave the students an opportunity to learn about the different species that live near us and go unnoticed, which fosters an intrinsic love for nature in their minds.
Project Avani accumulated a total of Rs 25,000, out of which Rs 8,000 was used to fund the development in a village known as Mangar, with the aim of fighting animal and snake intrusions. This was done by buying over 500 snake prevention kits. Additionally, Project Avani also collaborated with the Habitat Trust Fund in order to install camera traps in the region. This was done to monitor the movement and habits of snakes in the region.
To raise awareness, we put up 100+ posters featuring safety tips, helplines, and snippets of incidents all around us. We put them in different locations, including our school, nearby societies, and locations all over Noida. These posters helped us tell people about our project and grab their attention for the events that were to follow.
Project Avani utilized social media with the aim of raising awareness about the dire issue of human-animal interaction. We generated over 15,000 views across all posts and gained the support of more than 100 people on Instagram. Furthermore, we also participated in UNESCO's Greening Education campaign in order to certify our Shiv Nadar Noida as a green school. Overall, through the making of fun and trendy reels as well as fascinating posters and graphic art, Project Avani was able to successfully spread information to people worldwide.
Throughout the numerous workshops and interactions, we collected over 300 emails of the participants to create an email group in the future. With this, our team plans to send them regular updates on our plans and offer hands-on experience on our work along with spreading awareness through infographics. Each of the participants are essential for our project and helps us increase our Avani family. Thank you.